Windy, dusty, all in one. Park the wagon. Fleet Gen 4 looks to be a 5.3. Iron block with 799 heads on it. Ooh. Here's a 2500. Four-wheel drive. Nice headache rack. Look at Denali. Someone's already taking the motor. This Chevy Astro van sure got smucked in the rear. Ooh. What do you got? That's legit. I'm taking that 188,000 kilometers. No telltale on what it is. EGR on it, so probably a 4.8. Front bumper and everything's gone. It was T-boned. Two-wheel drive. Definitely an automatic. Yeah, automatic. 4L60. That is what I'm going for. Oh, we're. Whew. So you're seeing it for the first time as I am. This looks to be a 2001 GMC Sierra that says it has 188,000 kilometers on it. Someone's already got it, the front bumper and front end, but those aren't the parts that I'm looking at. It's going to be the motor and transmission out of this thing. So it's either a 4.8 or 5.3 liter. Not sure. Either way, taking it. It was clearly T-boned. This is actually fully working tailgate. Need one for my truck. Not bad. Yeah, clearly T-boned. So we know this is a good one. GMC Canyon or Colorado, either one. Someone's already taken the motor. That one's gone. Oh, why would you look at that thing? Look at them wheels. Actually, a decent amount of tread left on those. This one's flat. Any spacers in there? Nope, no spacers. Too bad. It's all been working hard, everything's missing. Ooh, a nice Suburban with a nice set of American Eagles. American Racing, I mean. Couple others. I want to check out this one here. This one looks to be either 99. Theft recovery. Two-wheel drive. Someone's already taken the two-wheel drive transmission from it. Also the intake manifold. Oh, it looked like there's very many kilometers on this one. Cluster's ripped out a bit. Too bad. Oh gosh, this here is just a Duramax laying on the ground. Turbo and everything is still on it. It's a full Duramax basically, stripped to parts. Such a shame. The heck is that? LS1 sick and twisted. Would you look at that? Sick and twisted. Got it. So why is it sick and twisted? Okay, this is going to be a 5.3 liter. There's MagnaFlow. This looked like 862 cylinder head, so definitely not an LS1. Factory headers. So interior with a aftermarket deck. It's actually a nice one. There is 254,000 kilometers on this one. DVD player and all. So I'm going to come back and grab a tool to take that out. Ourselves a Kenwood DDX774BH for Bluetooth. Not a bad looking deck. So what I have here is a 2001 GMC Sierra. Looks to have a 4.8 liter in it. 188,000 kilometers on this truck. Actually looks like not a bad truck. Someone's already taken the bumper and the grill and that off of it. Walked along this side, as you've probably seen when I first walked up on it. It was T-boned. Got hit pretty hard. So it was running and driving when I got hit. So I'm going to set the camera. We're going to get ourselves a nice engine and transmission. Let's see how clean it is on the inside. Oh yeah, not bad. It's actually fairly clean. Very well maintained engine. It's got EGR, which is the only downside, but hey, that can always be deleted. Let's get at it. Alright, next, the engine bay. Wrapped around the motor. Now time to undo things like that. little clips. Toss them in the tool bag to never be seen again. Next, we have is the throttle cable, because this is driving cable. So, it's going to be a little hard for you guys to see them, I think. Yeah. It's extremely windy today, so I'm sorry about the wind noise. Alrighty, well, here we are. We got ourselves the motor, trans, ready to come up and out. Got the complete intact wiring harness. I had, when he first lifted the cab, a ground strap on this side. I didn't know they're both on, I didn't know it was on both sides, those ground straps, so I missed one, had to set it back down, had to deal with that, so let's get this show on the road. There we go. That's that one. Cut all these clips. Woohoo! We got fuel. Got to pick up the stuff, put on the ground. Oh, dropping stuff. There we go. That's a lot better. Alrighty. Everything's all undone. Time to go grab seat belts to, well, I mean certified lifting straps. Thought I grabbed the knife, didn't I? Yes, I did. frame looks like leftover. Well done. This here was inside the drive shaft. Keeps noise down. Kind of funky. Got ourselves a pool noodle. Well, yeah. Pack up everything. Make sure everything's not going to fall out. Double check I'm not leaving any tools around. Then one last thing is to go to the cab and make sure I never left any tools under the hood. Put the cab out here. This is where cabs go to die. Let's go under here. Did not leave any tools. There we go. We're all good. Here we are. Up and out.